Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 22, Thai Basil Beef Noodles Stir Fry. Enjoy this tasty Thai stir fry recipe that is sure to make for the perfect healthy meal. Prepare time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 25 minutes. Servings: 6. Ingredients. Stir fry ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, divided, 8 ounces of uncooked rice noodles, 1 white onion, peeled and thinly sliced, 1/4 pounds. Sirloin flank steak, sliced thinly, 4 cloves garlic, peeled and minced, 8 ounces shiitake mushrooms, thinly sliced, 1 red bell pepper, cored and thinly sliced, sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste, 1/2 cups Thai basil leaves, fresh packed. Toppings: green onions thinly sliced, toasted sesame seeds, sliced peanuts, fresh lime wedges, fried garlic. Sauce ingredients: 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon sweet dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Directions: 1. Blend your sauce ingredients in a small mixing bowl. 2. Prepare the noodles al dente according to the package directions. Drain noodles, then set aside. Toss your noodles with a drizzle of oil before placing them in the stir fry. 3. Sear your beef in a pan along with 1 tablespoon of oil over high heat. Spice the steak with salt and pepper. Sauté the steak for about 5 minutes. Place prepared steak on a plate. 4. Cook your veggies with the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan along with the onion. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add mushrooms, bell pepper and garlic and sauté for an additional 5 minutes. 5. Add everything into the wok pan and mix to combine over medium heat. 6. Serve warm stir fry, garnish with preferred toppings, and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my Thai basil beef noodles stir fry recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also do not forget to turn on the notification bell.